jigging. Oh, I think oh, I was just jigging. I can see bottom. So I decided to try jigging a little bit. Nice crappie. You're out of it?
No.
Wait, I think it's... Let's go.
Holy smokes, guy.
$25, you think? Do you have a scale or anything? You don't, do you?
I got a scale. Five and a half exact. Holy smokes, with that thing back. Oh, just hold it. The footage is probably gonna be garbage. See, that's why you go somewhere to fish.
Alright, so I'll just set my flag. This is the third one of the day. You guys keep dying. I can't set the camera down because the wind's blowing it, but that's 16 inches, so that's a 13, a 14, and a 16. Keep it back in the water here. That did not take long at all. Look at that. Man, I almost didn't, let me turn the other camera on. It's warm in here, so. Look at that. That's the biggest one of the day inside the shack. So, I don't know how I'll be able to edit this, but basically, I wanted to record a short in here setting up a tip-up, and that way, for people that have never done it, they could see. And so I went and pulled the trap because I can only have 5 lines in, and because we were jigging out there and we caught that couple fish, I decided after the video to sit here and jig, and I caught that thing within minutes of sitting in here. I saw it swim by the hole a couple times, and I got a another camera set up. There you go. That's new.
Get so many flags. That's a lot of weight.
Alright, so it's dinner time and we're gonna make a pizza, and I learned a recipe online where you can cook a full pizza just on this thing right here. So that's all you need, and obviously you have pizza ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and make a pizza right here on this thing, and I'll show you guys how to do it. It's pretty cool. So let's get started on the dough over here in my on my cot, and then we'll get that over here. Alright, and there's the pizza. So it looks like the battery died on the camera when we were making it, but that's the end product right there. So you guys can see the nice pizza that we made with just this little thing right here. Pretty simple. It's buffalo chicken.